So I'm grabbing this concealer brush and I'm using my MAC concealer, and this is in the number NC42. I'm taking black opal, and this is the invisible powder, so it has no color. Basically, it's just going to set my face. Go ahead and take this Real Techniques blush brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and use it as a powder brush. And I'm basically just going to set all the areas of where I placed that concealer and how to blend out. So now I'm taking the Laura Lee palette. This is a Party Animal palette, and these are the beautiful colors that it comes with. Right now I have a Morphe E27 brush and a Morphe E27 brush, and I'm going to go ahead and grab the color called Drink. And I'm just going to add that all in my crease area.
Regularities, living all the dreams, playing all the games, and getting high in love. They can chase us down, but we will always win. Leading every dance, feeling every touch, and getting high in love. We're invincible.
Okay guys, so now I'm going to take the color Hangover, and that's this one right here, and I'm grabbing Hangover with the Morphe M506 brush. It's just a small angled brush like this. I am choosing a small brush so that I have more control over it, because I'm about to add it into the crease area and I want it to blend out perfectly.
We're invincible.
This is the Master Prime, and I'm going to grab this concealer brush and carve out a centerpiece area so I can go ahead and apply my other shadow. And you'll see. You'll understand. You'll understand.
We're invincible.
So now I'm taking the Profusion Pearl eyeshadow palette. I am taking this beautiful green color right here, and I'm just getting a flat shader brush and grabbing that and placing that all over my lid. Watch me do it. Color pencil right here, and this is in the color Pure Purple, and so we're gonna go ahead and add this in the waterline, hunty.
I just assumed I'd play the part of keeping you in the right direction. No matter how your confidence may fall, I'll be here as your foundation. And I say, hey, yo, just let it go. Your struggles won't remain. I say, hey, yo, we're holding hope and wake up.
Gave you too much, now I'm swallowed. Now I'm the fool while you're breaking rules. Dangerous path that I follow. Oh, go on, just do what you do. And it hurts as I bleed for you, cry for you. Oh, let me bleed as I bleed for you, cry for you. Oh, let me bleed.
Okay guys, so I am grabbing Airborne Unicorn, and this is by Line Crime, and this is like probably super old because I don't think Line Crime makes it like this anymore. Anyways, it's broken, as you can see. It's toe off on the floor, but I still love it, and I'm gonna go ahead and use it. Okay, so let me go ahead and put this on for you guys. Okay.